Alright, welcome back to day 2 of the WB rust repair. So I have gone ahead and started, as you can see. Let me say, what a damn mess. What a mess. So I think I've come up with a plan of what I'm going to do. Again, I'm new at this. That one over there is my first time really doing a rust repair and bog job, and yet to sand it. I've done bogging before, but anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make out my templates for around here. Template to fit in here, and it's obviously going to go under. I'm then going to cut this off, and when I make my steel template I'll weld that to it. And while this is off, I'm going to cut this section here out. So I'm going to go grind that flat, cut up, and then I'm going to go cross into behind there. So I can do away with all of this piece and this piece. This piece here is going to be left here. I'm going to have to get the professionals probably to do that, unless I can get a post, a 2-poster or 4-poster to get it up on, preferably 2-poster, and get in there and put a plate on. I don't think it's really the go putting a plate on the inside in here. Looking at it from behind here, which I'll show you. Looking at it behind here, you could do away with this whole section and just replate it right to the top. We've got solid steel that's not rusted through and paper thin. And I was just looking under here, it's got a leaky exhaust. Well, part of. Anyway, back to this. Yeah, that's my plan of attack at the moment. So I might leave you there and I'll touch back in. Not sure how long this one's going to take me, but I will keep you posted. Actually, I'll just show you my bog job. I don't think I showed you that last night. So there's my bog job. Obviously it's got to be sanded, but I think it came out, it's going to look like it's going to be alright.